Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel, friends. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be seeing about multicolored saree designs. Today I'm going to be talking about where can you wear these specific sarees and what are the amazing and beautiful multicolors to go on with your multicolor saree. So without asking a minute, let's get back into this video. But before we do so, remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So friends, talking about where can you wear these multicolored sarees, you can try wearing these in weddings, engagements, traditional occasions, or parties and for farewells. You can design it traditionally or even in a modern pattern. So friends, talking about the multicolors to use, you can try going on bright colors such as pink, blue, yellow, green, orange, red and purple. While on the other hand, some people love to go on with smooth and soft pastel colors like light blue, light pink, blue turquoise and spindrift. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. So remember to like to our channel and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So friends, you can purchase similar types of these amazing and beautiful multicolored sarees by clicking the link below in the description box, friends. You can purchase these on Amazon and they're absolutely beautiful. So bye friends.